Take a moment and look at those wallet numbers. They're absolutely massive. If your goal is to stack serious profit, stay locked in because I'm about to show you exactly how to make that happen. I spent months trying to crack the meme coin game until I discovered this broken method. Head over to Photon, switch the filter to Pump Fund Dex, and watch how meme coins are launching non-stop. You'll see trash tokens getting spawned every millisecond. They just flood in and disappear just as fast. That's no surprise. Pump Fund is completely overcrowded since anyone can create a token in seconds. So seriously, don't waste time trying to chase profits there. It's basically a dead end. Now that we're taking a look at Radium tokens, the difference is clear. Barely any new coins are being launched. Only a handful have gone live over the past few minutes. Compared to Pump Fund, it's a night and day contrast. The demand over here is next level. Just look at the market cap figures. Pump Fund can't compete with that, and the reason is simple. Radium requires real development skills, which filters out all the garbage. That's exactly why we're using it. Let me show you how. I found Launch Tool by accident, and honestly, it's one of the best hidden gems in the space. This tool is crazy. You don't need any coding knowledge to use it, so even beginners can launch a coin on Radium. Just click a few buttons, and you're good to go. It's been making me money every week and still works flawlessly. I already found a nice logo on Google for this one. As usual, I went with a trending meme because, let's be real, it always works. I recommend searching for something funny and viral since that kind of stuff pulls people in without hesitation. That trick hasn't failed me yet. Now jump into Canva, click Create a Design, set it to 128 by 128 pixels, make any quick edits, and save it. Simple and sharp, just how I roll. Open up Launch Tool and begin entering the details for your token. For mine, I'm using CATZILLA coin as the name and CATZILLA as the symbol. Add a lighthearted description. Mine is, CATZILLA loves to destroy every other coin in its path. Upload the logo you just created and hit Next. You'll land on the tokenomics page. Don't change anything here. It's already good to go. We're keeping the full 1 billion supply for a later step. Hit Next one more time and you'll land on the creator info page. Quick heads up, changing anything here will cost you 0.1 Sol. Personally, I don't think it's worth the fee. I just disable the option and move on. After that, you'll see a section asking for your social media links. You can add them if you want, but I always skip it. Keep moving forward. Up next is one of the most critical steps in the whole process. Seriously, messing with these toggles can wreck your entire launch. Curious why this matters? Turning off Revoke Freeze means you can stop trading whenever you want. If you leave Revoke Mint on, it gives you unlimited minting power. And with Revoke Update enabled, you can change your token's details at any time. If buyers see these options still active, they'll instantly back off. You lose trust, and with it, all potential buys. Leave everything as is and hit that Launch My Token button. Your Phantom wallet should pop up instantly. Confirm the transaction like you always do. That's all it takes, nothing more. You can now view your token details. I'm jumping on SolScan to check mine. And there it is. It's officially live on the blockchain. But here's the thing, it's not tradable just yet. One last step left. So let's move ahead. Open Launch Tool again and click on Create Liquidity Pool. That'll redirect you straight to Radium. First, confirm your wallet is connected, then set your meme coin as the base token. Open the drop-down menu, grab your token address from Launch Tool, and paste it into the field below. Select the token. Fill in the token info next. I'm using CATZILLA for the symbol and CATZILLA coin for the name. Click Add User Token, then click on your token again to lock it in. Enter 900 million as the supply. That's the standard amount from the 1 billion total. Choose Solana as your quote token. Since you're the initial buyer, you can hit max without any risk. Just remember to leave out 0.2 Sol from the total. That's for Radium's setup fee, shown in yellow. Set the fee tier to 2%. Once all the info is filled in correctly, click Initialize Liquidity Pool. Confirm the transaction in your wallet, and just like that, your coin is ready for trading. Jump over to Photon and you'll see your meme coin listed right away. That step's complete. Now let's take a look at your chart. Go to dexscreener.com and select any token just to load the page. Let it fully load. Now head back to Launch Tool, grab your token's contract address, and paste it into Dex Screener in place of the default one. Hit enter. Your chart will load instantly. Any small movements you see now are probably early bot buys. No need to stress right now. Let's wait a bit and see when something shows up in the order book. While we're waiting, keep checking your Radium portfolio here and there. Make sure it's set to standard view. You'll notice your position appear below soon. It can take a couple minutes to update. After waiting for the full 10 minutes, we got one small buy, but it's from a bot. It's still nice though. $22, which is 0.13 Solana. And there it is. Our first buy just came through after a short pause. Let me scroll down so you can take a look. This one's worth $63.5, or about 0.38 Sol. Still hanging tight though. I want to see what else rolls in. There are a few sell orders popping up too, but no need to stress. That actually increases the volume, which makes the coin look even more attractive to buyers. And boom, second buy just came in, 0.23 Sol, which equals $38. Check out the stats shown up here. Liquidity is sitting at $840, and the market cap just hit $829. We're off to a strong start, and I'm hoping those numbers climb even higher soon. So, let's take a quick glance at the chart to see how it's going so far. Damn, over 200% since we paired the coin. The best part? You don't need to do any marketing for this to work. You can rinse and repeat this exact method as much as you want. Like I said, it's powerful. Guys, I need to point something out. You might even need to wait up to an hour to see insane gains. Oh, let's go. We just got another fresh and clean buy. The third buy just hit, and it's close to $80 or around 0.48 Sol. That's wild. With all these sell orders stacking up, it's my cue to pull the rug, so I'm going for it. Just a heads up, this guide is for educational purposes only, and your results may vary. Now, before I make the move, let's take one final look at the stats. Liquidity is sitting at $1,000 and market cap is up to $1.2 thousand, all in just 49 minutes. That kind of pump in such little time is insane. I'm more than happy with that, so I'm locking in profits now. Go to Radium, connect your wallet, and switch to the standard view. Click the minus button right here. Slide the bar all the way to 100%. Only worry about the SOL, that's the part you're pocketing. Click Remove Liquidity. Of course, just wait a bit until everything loads perfectly. Approve the prompt. And there it is. The confirmation shows up. That means the profit is now in your wallet. This is my favorite part. Just open Phantom and enjoy the results. I started with $290 and walked away with $460, so you can see that this is just overpowered. Quick note though, I'm not affiliated with Launchtool, Photon, or Radium in any way. Everything in this video was purely for educational purposes. This method has been amazing so far, but there's no telling how long it'll stay that way. So if you're gonna try it, don't wait around.